I'm becoming the Robin Hood of wasted food in America. 40% of food goes to waste, and I am there in the waste stream before it even goes to the dumpster to rescue it. There's this pallet of green onions that are, most of them, look at them. Some of them are actually going bad. A lot of them are salvageable if you wanted to dry them or ferment them or feed them to chickens. There's people that also go to this area to get chicken feed, and it's just going to end up, all over the pavement, covered in all kinds of junk and oil. People throw cans of oil on these piles of reusable food. So I'd like to upcycle it. I'd like to rescue it, and most of all, take what is plantable and repackage it into the nursery with these are some paper cups, and I'm just deciding I'm going to leave these pretty much bundled up. They'll do fine. They can be separated later, and they're the most easy to transplant of almost all plants. They're very forgiving. They're almost like succulents. They got strong roots and they hold a lot of their own moisture, so they're hard to kill, which is what I'm very much looking for in this process of rescuing plants, ones that are going to make it. So I'm parceling out 100 of these bundles that I'm going to give away at an event coming up, because I like the idea of teaching people and getting people interested in gardening by starting them off with plants that are going to do well and that they're a part of their normal diet, and it gives them a positive experience. And I'm happy to be the Robin Hood of guerrilla gardening.